Hello everyone, Beta Safaris here, CEO of GiGO Clean Technology. Although GiGO Clean is a referral platform that connects consumers to the cleaners available in the area by zip code, we want to make sure that each of our respected clients receive the highest quality of services available in the market. For that reason, we spend time on training cleaning professionals on the quality, product knowledge, professionalism, and punctuality. In addition to that, there is a checklist available both to customers and cleaning professionals for each service types. A strong admin group monitors all the orders through the platform, and our response time is usually less than 1 hour. This is what makes GiGO Clean different from any other platform available in the market. Clean with GiGO Clean. It's safe, fast, affordable, and you will receive the highest quality of cleaning services. Thank you.